Hi, and thank you for joining me. I'm so glad that you're here and joining the 8-week Strong workout program. New Year's is such a great time to refocus on yourself and your goals. Some studies have suggested that it takes about 1 month to form a new habit. We start that here with fitness tomorrow. Over the next 2 months, I will be posting a variety of different workouts in the Strong playlist on YouTube. I'll be leaving a few days off for rest each week as well. My goal is to get you re-engaged with a variety of different types of workouts and movements. We'll be starting with a no repeats week to get a nice and fun start to the workout program. Each week will consist of a different type of workout structure. Most weeks will have about 5 workouts per week, and each workout will be between about 40 to 45 minutes plus a warm-up of about 5 to 10 minutes. But there will be some variation in between the workouts. There are a few rest days scheduled each week. Feel free to take a full rest day or do an active rest day and do some stretches. It is really up to you. Make the program your own. Whether you're here with me every day or adding other workouts into the mix, I urge you to keep track of your progress throughout the program. And by that, I don't mean that you need to weigh yourself every day. You don't need to do that. Regardless of whether you want to lose weight or add some definition, focus on how you feel and what you look like and how strong you're getting. Do this by taking a picture on day 1, another picture on day 30, and another one at the end of the 8-week workout program. You see, when your body is changing and losing fat and adding muscle, it can be very frustrating not to see those changes reflected on a scale. But what you really care about and what's really behind this number is how you look in the mirror and how you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror. Again, take a picture on day 1, another photo on day 30, and another one at the end of the 8 weeks. And keep it to yourself or share your progress with me. It's really up to you. Let's do this. Let's get started with 2022 on a positive note with a Strong workout program. Also wanted to take a few quick moments to answer some questions about the program. Question 1 is about the workout equipment. I'll be using dumbbells for the vast majority of the workouts in the program. I recommend at least 1 set of light dumbbells and a set of heavier dumbbells. For a lighter set, I recommend something between about 8 to 15 pounds, and for the heavier set, something between about 18 to 35 pounds. And you can use a dumbbell or a kettlebell. It is up to you. I'll also be using some workout bands, completely optional. I will be linking all the equipment I'm using here and also at the end of each YouTube video. In addition, I'll be using a workout bench for some exercises. Feel free to use a chair, any bench you have at home, or even your couch, just something that you can lay or sit on comfortably. In addition, I'll be using a step deck for some exercises. Feel free to use a book or a yoga block or not perform the elevation if you don't want to do so. Again, the links will be here below and also on the bottom of each YouTube video if you'd like to get the exact workout equipment that I'm using. If you can't finish a workout, that's completely okay. Take a break whenever you need it and catch your breath. Whether it's for 30 seconds or for a minute, that's okay, or even longer. I sometimes have to take a break too, and you can always go down in weight or switch an exercise to body weight only. You can also finish the workout early if you don't have the time to finish the full workout. As long as you're getting active, that's what's most important. My workouts are suitable for all levels, including beginners. Just take some extra breaks if you need them. Always remember this. There will be ad breaks built into the program. Those are usually spots where I myself had to take a break. Please take a few extra moments to take the time to watch the ads if you can. That really helps me continue creating this content for you for free. Most workouts in the Strong program will be low impact. There might be 1 or 2 workouts that involve some hops or jumps. You can always just walk it out. You don't have to do the jumps or hops if you don't want to, and just perform lower impact versions of the exercises. How do you join? All right, I just added a Strong playlist, and the first workout will be live by 1 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss anything. Please take a photo now if you can, and let's get started. I can't wait to work out together and get stronger.